As a paragon of intelligent manufacturing in China, Geely not only pays attention to the quality and efficiency of its manufacturing process, it also takes an initiative in developing sustainably. With innovative plant designs and careful planning, high-quality environmental protection control systems, and efficient pollutant treatment processes, Geely is advancing the development of modern green smart plants. Guided by the principles of sustainable development, Geely's powertrain plant in Yiwu adopts the world's strictest standards in energy conservation, environmental protection, and construction. In 2019, Geely established a digital material management platform, and applying new G-Blue eco-friendly technologies, the company has improved material quality throughout all vehicles. After years of development, a number of Geely vehicles have been awarded the Platinum rating in Chinese eco-car evaluations, acknowledging Geely's achievement in developing eco-friendly vehicle. Geely not only integrates advanced technologies into its R&D and manufacturing system, it is also creating an eco-friendly office environment. Looking to the future, Geely will remain committed to producing the safest, most environmentally friendly, and energy-efficient vehicles, and working towards making a better world for everyone. Only through our own efforts can we ensure a future with green hills and clean streams.